You about to eat the strawberry? Today we gotta get the potatoes. No, they gotta turn red. Let's go to the potatoes. All right, today we want to show the potato harvest. I planted these around about October, November. So now it's end of March. It's starting to die back, partly because of some animals, as you can see, been disturbing it. So we're gonna go ahead. I saw them kind of busting through, if you can see that. So I want to talk about how I planted them before I dig them up. I actually tried something different. I didn't water the potatoes this year, so I planted them about a foot deep in the wintertime in Florida, and didn't water them. Put some leaves as mulch on top. Yeah, you see potato? So I pretty much, before I get going, planted 7 potatoes. So this is 1 plant, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it must be one in this middle, yeah, 7. I just broke up the ground on this side of the corn. And on that side of the corn, I did add leaves to the sand. So I've grew potatoes before, but not to much success. So as you can see here, so 7 potatoes of a store-bought. See what we got? That's it. What are you doing? Why can't I just pull? Oh, they were the original potato. So the original potato, 1 little shoot. So far, I guess we'll try to keep digging. I don't know. See another potato at the gate. Whoa, baby. So, another cluster. Hi, baby, put it right here. Look, right here. What's in here? You just gotta take them off, okay? Good job. Yeah, take them off. All right, oh, go down a little further. All right, there's this one. Hey, good job. You can leave that potato. Come, baby. Good morning, man.
What's up, man? Hey, that's corn, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Popcorn and maize.
Maize.
Yeah, regular tortilla.
Oh.
All right, man.
Have a nice day.
Yeah. All right. Hey, yeah. Yeah, we're getting the potatoes. All right, so that's the corn he was talking about. I think that's the black.
I think it's the black.
Yeah, it's the black corn. Isn't that ready?
Corn.
All right, let's get the potatoes right here. Right here. You pull it. You pull it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The small potatoes. I wonder where they keep going down. Hi, Hap, get at the baby.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I got 2 more. Yes, Hap.
Yeah, black corn.
Yeah,
Yeah, I get black corn.
some of them, huh? Get at the baby.
Need more.
Need more?
I need more.
Got 1 more.
That black corn. That black corn.
Yeah, we gotta get some different potatoes and try them. I can get at the baby.
Baby.
All right, so that's the potato harvest. Not the best, but was simple. We didn't water, so maybe next time we water Ahab.
Yes.
That's the potato harvest. Right there. Look, baby. You want some French fries?
We have wash and fish fries. And have wash.
Yeah, we almost got back our potatoes. Oh, we got 1 more.
Oh, that I see a mouse.
Yeah, let's get it right there, the green one. Yeah, pull it. Muscles. Muscles.
I can't hold it.
And where we at? All right, Ahab.
So what I
That's the
doing?
potatoes. Get at the baby.
Oh, big.
Well, at least we got another garden spot. All right. That's the potato harvest. Maybe we gotta plant them earlier, August. Let them grow all winter. Yeah, but not big. Damn, baby.